All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Jasmy community. Appreciate you guys as always, but let's waste no more time and talk about what is happening with the price and what we could be expecting as we go further into a brand new week. So looking at the overall market, especially altcoins, to be specific, we're seeing quite a bit of green across the board. Mantra DAO, if you're an OG, you know this project from the beginning, and it's performing really good. It's up 18%, but if you're looking at Jasmy, it's up 5.5% today. But let's really talk about what we could be expecting going into a brand new week ahead of us. If you're enjoying these updates, you guys know what to do. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at Jasmy's price right now, as of recording this update, we're currently sitting at about 4 cents, up 5.1% in USD comparative, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. So as far as its price is concerned, guys, it's looking beautiful. And the market cap for Jasmy right now is approaching that $2 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $210 million. So in the grand scheme of things, things are looking quite bullish for Jasmy. We kind of had this conversation yesterday in our update, but let's really see what we could be expecting as far as targets are concerned going into this week ahead of us. So looking at the dominance index, we did see the dominance index pretty much remain where it was yesterday. We did see a little bit of a minor pullback, but the main thing that you want to be focusing on is that Bitcoin did almost retest $70,000 today, and obviously that did impact a lot of altcoins in a positive way. But right now Bitcoin is looking amazing. Going into a brand new week, we're seeing Bitcoin holding at some key resistance. Some key resistance is coming in its way. That's what I meant to say. And if we were able to break out of this major key resistance, honestly, we could be back to where we left off, which is around almost $72,000. So as far as Bitcoin price is concerned, looking amazing right now. And I think we could potentially have a great week ahead of us, especially if we are actually able to break out of this key resistance once and for all and not see a bunch of fake outs. Because speaking about fake outs, I want you guys to really pay attention. Pretty much since May 21st, we've seen this key resistance get retested, then pretty much see a massive cool off, retested again, a little bit of a retracement, but you are seeing momentum on Bitcoin side right now. So it's going to be really interesting to see how that reacts. So looking at the price of Jasmy right now, I'm sure you guys are looking at the price of Jasmy on the daily time frame, currently sitting at 0.395 cents, so almost 4 cents if you were to round it up, and it wants to break out. It's wanting to break out. Obviously, Q resistance coming in the way, and that 4 cents resistance that we discussed in our previous update. And if this is able to clear, we could be seeing Jasmy hitting that 5 cents target that we've been talking about for quite some time, in the upcoming days, in my opinion. So now that we know where the price of Jasmy is, let's take a closer look on the hourly time frame. So if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, just look at it from May 1st. This is a thing of beauty, in my honest opinion. Jasmy is showing very, very bullish strength, and I have discussed this on my channel over the past few updates. You guys know we keep it 100% neutral. If this was not the case, I would not going to just come out here and say it's looking bullish. But believe it or not, it's bouncing very quick, and the way it held, that's what I want you guys to pay attention to. The way it held after this pullback that we did see just a few days back, that's really speaking to me and shows that the momentum is very strong. And you can see this for yourself right now as the price is trying to break out. This is not the first time we have retested this 3.97 cents resistance. We have retested this about 3 different times. If I were to zoom in, let me give you guys a better look. So look at this exact target, the 4.03 cents, and I told you guys that is a key resistance for Jasmy, and we retested that once, twice, 2 different times rejection. Could third time be the charm? I possibly think that could be happening. So this is what we could see happening. If this resistance is able to clear out, I think off Jasmy goes to this 4.2 cents, and then we're pretty much off to the races towards the main target, which is at 5 cents. And boy, is that going to break crypto Twitter, because we're talking about this level that we haven't seen Jasmy retest pretty much since 2021, or I'm sorry, 2022. So it's been over 2 years. So that would obviously be a huge statement. But you need to really break out of this key resistance that I'm really talking about right here, which is around this 4.03 cents. And again, it's a key resistance, dates back to the 2022 prices, and the traders tend to lock profits in around here. Bears are trying their absolute best to keep the price below this key resistance, but I do believe that we do have strength on Jasmy's side to really push towards this key resistance. And speaking about this key resistance, we do need to have a move of about 25% for Jasmy to retest that, which would put the market cap around $2.2 billion for Jasmy. So that's going to be obviously really exciting. So that's how I'm currently analyzing the chart as far as the price is concerned. The overall momentum, it's looking really good as of now. And that's just that. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. What are your personal projections? Where do you see Jasmy trading at the end of 2024? That's what I want to know from you guys. Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.